So what's so bad?
What's so fucking bad?
Yeah.
Okay, now, I'm gonna ask you another question. Video games, TV, no school. You wanna be a fucking bum? Do you wanna be a bum?
No. I'm making YouTube videos, I'm making money. Obviously, I'm not a bum.
You ain't making shit! You ain't making shit! That's bullshit!
I'm making money from it.
You know what? You're a fucking smartass. I am gonna make sure that you don't fucking play video games. This fucking TV is going off. You watch. There. I don't want no fucking TV with you.
Really?
I don't want no TV with you.
Really?
I don't want no TV with you.
Fine.
No video games,
Fine.
no TV.
Nope. Fine. Putting it back on.
Oh, see, why you gotta piss him off?
What's your problem?
Son of a bitch. What did I just get done fucking telling you? Fine. You wanna be a fucking smartass? Watch this fucking shit. You watch this shit.
Why is he so angry? God.
Cause you turned the TV back on, you idiot.
Yeah. So angry. God.
Oh man. Oh man.
Where'd
I don't even know.
Where'd he go?
Oh.
Fuckers. Oh, fuck. You wanna fucking play? You wanna play? You wanna play? There.
What the?
Your new fucking system. Your new system. You wanna see it?
Are you kidding? No, no.
No! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Oh my new system. Your new fucking system. Your new fucking system. Now you ain't got no fucking video game. There.
Hammer, dude.
See?
Look at,
I don't give a shit how much this shit costs. There. Fucking.
What are you doing?
What the hell?
Oh my god, can you
You are literally the worst parent ever. There's your system. There's your system. I'm tired of this shit.
What is your problem?
The fucking son twice turns off the TV until we get this fucking game right.
Okay,
Bullshit.
there's no reason for that.
Bullshit. This fucking bullshit.
He's like Super Saiyan.
Fucking moron.
You know, there's really no reason for all that. I'm sorry. I know. I just
Oh man.
in my hand.